Hello, hello, hello. I am back again. This video is going to be how I ombre the RPG hair unit that I did a video on like a day ago. So I ombreed it sort of kind of. I didn't get the tips as blonde as I want, but you'll see. Here's another shot of it. I just wanted it to like brown but not blonde. But anyway, so these are the products I used: aluminum foil, shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, shimmer lights, of course, developer, a hair strengthening mask to get the curls back, which you'll see that they don't. But all the products I listed below are listed below, so just hit the down bar so you can see what I used. And I'm gonna go right into me coloring the hair. So I get the powder and I get about 2 scoops into my mixing bowl, and I'm going to mix it with the 20 volume developer. I got this from my local beauty supply store to bleach knots. I bleached knots on this unit and another wig that I actually made, so that's the only reason that I got this. So when I saw that I could bleach the hair and just try to get an ombre look, not like a blonde look but a brown look, and it's actually gonna come out okay. It's just that I wanted the tips blonder, which I tried to do, but maybe I should just go over them again with just the bleach with no Shimmer Light shampoo in there. So I'm gonna put the Shimmer Light shampoo inside the mixture that I make so that it could come out like a brown color and not just blonde, black to blonde. I just didn't want it to be blonde, and it came out brown. I just wanted the tips blonde, but I'll probably go over it again. So this is just me mixing. I just eyeballed it, so I put a little bit of the develop in there, start stirring. I have a little whisk and a little bowl that I got from, I'm adding some more now. I got that from the beauty supply store. So it came with a whisk and a brush and a spoon, specifically just for hair. So it's a good buy. And that's the consistency you want when you're bleaching knots. But for this, I probably wanted a little bit more runnier, but yeah, that's better. And then I go ahead and with some Shimmer Light shampoo, and I added the Shimmer Light shampoo to tone down the blondness. And my whisk actually broke, but I hot glued it back together later, honey. I'm a DIY. I'm not gonna waste my money. But anyway, I add a little bit of Shimmer Light shampoo in there just to make it brown. It's gonna make it like a brown ombre color instead of blonde. Yeah, so I'm just mixing that so I get the right consistency. It's like a light purple because you know the Shimmer Light shampoo is purple, and it's really strong. You see me fan my nose because it's really strong. It's like worse than being in a nail shop, like way worse. But anyway, okay, so I got the hair divided up into 4 sections on a wig head, a styrofoam head. I have it in 4 clips. I just want the bottom ombre, so I mean, this is the best way I thought to do it, and I want it to look very, you know, not super neat, like, you know, black to brown. So I kind of wanted it a little streaky, which is what I try to do. And as you'll see, I'll try to put more bleach on the tips. I'm just going to show you 2 sections in this clip, but I actually did all 4 sides. But I tried to make the tips more blonde so it could look, you know, really blonde, but it didn't work. But I'll probably go over it again. But I don't know because this hair probably it didn't return to the natural curl pattern that it had before. It was really curly, and it returned to like a wavy pattern. So I don't know if I like that. But yeah, this is just me coloring it. Then you see me getting the color on there, and then the tips. And then I'm going to wrap them in aluminum. I'm going to wrap each section in aluminum foil for 30 minutes. And yeah, I'm combing it through, make sure it gets in there. And there we go. I'm wrapping it with aluminum foil. I had pre-cut my aluminum foil. I just got 2 big sheets and then cut them in 4s. 1 big sheet, excuse me, and cut it in 4s. And then I'm going to wrap each section and leave it on there for 30 full minutes. And you're going to get your desired effect if you leave it on there long enough. But yeah, I'm brushing it again with the little brush that I got from the little kit. And I make sure I get the back, get the middle, get the tips really good. I could have probably mixed more during that last bundle, that last section. I didn't have enough bleach. I didn't have enough mixture. So I probably could have mixed a little bit more, but make sure you comb it through and get it on the tips really good. Because you want it to really show through, and you don't want any black pieces up under there because you're really not layering it when you're coloring it. I'm just sectioning it off in 4 sections. But yeah, so do that for all 4 sides, and your finished result should be this. As you can see, I'm excited because I really want to see how it turned out. So I was really being impatient, and I waited exactly 30 minutes. So you see how I'm dancing because it is the color I wanted. It looked kind of bleachy blonde probably to you, but in person it's really brown. I'm gonna show you some clips. I got some of my Snapchat clips and some pictures of me when I put the wig on. So I'm gonna show you how it actually turned out, but it turned out pretty good. It was just like a lot of clumps, so be careful. I had a towel down on the floor, but it was a lot of clumps of like little pieces of the bleach and stuff like clumped up, so you don't want that everywhere. But I vacuumed afterwards, but just be careful. So I'm going to take it off and I'm going to wash it. Wig is sitting right now in the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I wanted to keep its softness and its curls, so I'm going to let it sit in there for 15 minutes. And I washed it with Neutralizing Shampoo and Shimmer Lights. And then once I take the mask off, I'm going to wash it with the Dove Rich Moisture Conditioner or Daily Moisture Conditioner and the Tresseme Luster Moisture Shampoo. I used to have this conditioner. It's really good, but I don't have it. That's my daughter whining. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash it with these 2 afterwards, and then I'll show you the end result. But it is really pretty. So this is after I washed it and let the mask sit on there for 15 minutes, and then I washed it with the shampoo and the conditioner. As you can see, the bottom does not have the same curl pattern as the part that you didn't bleach. This unit is tight curly unit, so it should be more curly than wavy. So I think now when I wear it, I didn't put any curling product on it, but I'm gonna add curling product to it. Like if you were to try to get your natural hair to curl, I have some curling products I can put on there, like some curly custards, to see if that will get it to scrunch up more and maybe diffuse it with a blow dryer and a diffuser. But yeah, it didn't get its original curl pattern back, but it's still very pretty. I was just brushing it. This is not a Demon brush, but it kind of gives you curls when you brush with a brush like this. So I was just trying to see if it would get the curl pattern back, and it really didn't. I'm just wringing out some of the water here, but yeah, I got some clips of me in the hair with the wig on. So thank you for watching, and here goes some more clips of me with the wig.